Hi viewers, welcome back to Smart English with Bhowmic. YouTube's new Peak Points tool is a great example of emotional resonance in action. It uses AI to identify emotionally engaging moments in videos, allowing advertisers to place ads where viewer attention is highest. আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা কথা বলবো ইউটিউবের একটা গেম চেঞ্জিং আপডেট নিয়ে, cause আজকের আপডেটটা শুনে মাথা ঘুরে যাবে. Today's update will simply blow your mind. YouTube is about to get a serious AI upgrade, and it's going to change everything about how you see ads. YouTube is now using Gemini AI to place ads in peak engagement moments. এটা কিভাবে ইম্প্যাক্ট করবে ক্রিয়েটর্স, মার্কেটার্স অ্যান্ড ভিউয়ার্স, এভরিথিং ইন জাস্ট এ ফিউ মিনিটস. ইম্যাজিন দিস, ইউ আর ওয়াচিং ইউর ফেভারিট ক্রিয়েটর. They are about to reveal the biggest secret, the most insane stunt, or the funniest punchline, and boom. YouTube is unleashing Google's most powerful AI, Gemini, to pinpoint the absolute peak moments in videos for ad placements. Yes, you heard that right. Ads are getting an AI brain. Is this the future, or is it just plain scary? Let's break it down. This is not random anymore. It's all controlled by Gemini AI, Google's smartest artificial intelligence. Alright, let's dive deep. So YouTube just announced they are testing Gemini AI, Google's latest and greatest artificial intelligence model to revolutionize YouTube ad placement. Forget random ad breaks. Gemini's job to analyze videos frame by frame, understand the context, the emotion, the narrative, and identify those peak engagement moments. Think about it, the climax of a story, the winning goal, the big reveal, the funniest joke. YouTube is saying these will make ads less disruptive for viewers because they will appear at more natural breaks, or even moments where you are already highly engaged. For creators, this could mean higher CPMs and better ad revenue because advertisers will pay premium for these prime ad slots. And for advertisers, super targeted ads with potentially sky-high conversion rates. YouTube is now integrating Gemini AI, the same powerful model used in Google Search and Bard, to analyze videos and identify the peak moments, মানে যে মোমেন্টসে ভিউয়ার এনগেজমেন্ট হাইয়েস্ট থাকে. বাট ওয়েট, দেয়ার ইজ এ ফ্লিপ সাইড, রাইট? হোয়াট ইফ জেমিনি থিংস এ পিক মোমেন্ট ইজ রাইট when your favorite creator is mid-sentence about something crucial? Will it be truly intelligent? Will this AI-driven ad strategy improve user experience, or it's just another way to maximize YouTube monetization? One thing is for sure, the YouTube algorithm is getting a massive AI boost, and AI in advertising is the next big thing. This YouTube update is a game changer, for better or worse, and we are here to figure it out together. And guess what? Ads will now be automatically placed exactly at those moments to maximize performance, watch time, and ad revenue. This means higher CTR. CTR means click-through rate. For advertisers, more monetization power for creators and for viewers. Ads that feel way more personal and relevant. Whether you are a content creator, affiliate marketer, brand strategist, or just a YouTube addict, এটা আপনার জন্য মাস্ট নো আপডেট. Keywords like YouTube algorithm 2025, Gemini AI, peak video moments, ad placement strategy, these are trending right now. So what do you think about YouTube's new ad strategy using Gemini AI? Do you think it's going to make ads more effective or more annoying? So what are your thoughts on YouTube using Gemini AI for ads? Is this the future of smarter advertising, or do you think it's a big brother? Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. I want to hear every single one of your theories. Like this video if you found value, share it with your fellow content creators or digital marketers, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart English with Bhowmic for more viral marketing insights, tech updates, and smart English learning all in one place. Thanks for watching.